Hey guys, in this video I will show you the dirt bike cheat code for GTA 5. Alright, let's begin. First, this method lets you spawn a dirt bike, also known as the Sanchez, directly in the game using cheat codes. If you are playing on a PC, start by opening the cheat console. To do this, press the Command Console key on your keyboard. Once the console opens, type the cheat code off-road and then press Enter. As soon as you do this, the dirt bike will instantly spawn in front of your character. You can also spawn the dirt bike using your in-game phone. Open your phone, go to Contacts, then open the dialer. Now enter 1999-6337-623 and press spacebar. After the call connects, the dirt bike will appear right next to you in the game. So that's basically how you can use the dirt bike cheat code for GTA 5. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!